Okay guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Google Sites. So we're in Drive. Make sure that you're in Drive. You're not in Google Docs or Google Sheets. You're going to click on your New button, and then you'll scroll down to where it says More, and then Google Sites is usually the last one. If you have any other connected apps, they'll be below that. So click on Google Sites, and it will load a new site for you. If you already have a Google site, it might populate itself in here, but this is just the default template. So inside your page title, okay, you're going to type your first and last name. Okay, and then up here, your site name as well, you're going to type your first and last name. Okay, so those are my first and last name in case you didn't know, Mrs. So then you're going to click on Themes over here in this top corner right here, and this is where you get to do the fun part. So you can click through all of these different themes, the styles, the fonts within each theme. You can pick the color scheme, and you can pick the type of fonts that you would like. Once you've taken a good solid amount of time to do that, you can move your cursor over to header type right here, and you can select the header that you prefer. You can have a cover page, a large banner, a banner. I wouldn't do title only, so banner or large banner are kind of your best two choices. I'm going to leave mine at banner. Then you can go to change image, and you have two options. You can upload an image if you have anything saved to your drive, or you can find it on the internet, save it to your drive, and upload it. Or you can just select an image from the default image set. So they have lots of different ones. If you feel like any of these really speak to you, you can choose the selected ones. Otherwise, you can explore the internet for something you feel like would be more well suited. So I'm going to go with kind of space themed. We'll have that one. And then you're going to keep moving on to your About Me page. Okay, so you're going to go to Insert, Text Box, and you have a text box right here, and that's where you would include your information about yourself. My name is da-da-da, I attend MPMS, blah, 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 I love cats, I love cats, you know, the norm. Okay, and you're going to also include a brief statement about the portfolio. It shouldn't be, Ms. Kibler is making me do this, so this is why I have a portfolio. It should be something kind of positive, like an introductory statement to an autobiography or something just general. You know, I'm excited to start this. It showcases what I'm working really hard on right now. I hope you enjoy it. Blah, blah, blah. Okay? And then you can also choose to add a photo. If you click up here in Images, you can upload an image, or you can change your layouts over here to allow there to be a little image box, or you can have 2 images and some text, or 3 images. It's up to you guys what it looks like, okay? So this is all about you, whatever you feel. Spend as long as you need on this part. All right, the next thing you're going to do once you feel pretty confident about your opening page, you're going to click on Pages, and then you're going to hit the plus sign. That's all you have to do to create a new page. Okay, and you'll title that new page. You'll have a couple of them. About Me is one of them. And then you can just keep adding them. Then you'll have Learning. Then you'll have Extracurriculars. And if you guys want to kind of change the phrasing of these, like hobbies or free time, something like that, you can do that. Recognition. Oh, guys, Miss Kibler struggling to spell. Ooh, thank goodness. Tells me what's wrong. Okay, so once you have those 4, those are going to be your main pages. And then you're going to create sub-pages just within the learning one. So you can call it learning, you can call it academic, academia, whatever you want it to be. Please just keep the About Me About Me page titled About Me. That just makes it a little easier for me to look through your stuff. So you click the 3 dots and then you click Add Subpage. And so your subpages are going to be your topics. If you want to get super specific, you can put Math 1, Math 8, Math 2. Let's be real, Miss Kibler would be in Math 8. So I'll add Math 8. And then you do the same exact thing, add a subpage. So you're going to continue to do that for all of your classes, including your electives, okay? So you should have math, language arts, science, social studies, and your electives underneath learning, okay? And then when you open your learning page, you can see you have your header. You can also reset your header type. You can make it title only. You can make it large banner. You can make it a cover page. Whatever you think is best. You can change the image so that it better reflects learning. So that would be maybe something with sticky notes or pencils or let's see what kind of schools. Oh, this looks kind of schooly. Yep, you guys love your devices. And so you can play around with that. And then down here is a little feature. It's called Remove Readability Adjustment. So do you see what it just adjusted it from darker to lighter so that you could see the light text? That's up to you if you want it to be formatted this way. Okay? So once you're done with this and you've set everything up, you're going to go back to my website to watch the video for sharing it correctly. And then you're going to invite me to your website, and then you have one last thing to do. You have to fill out your Google Forms submission, okay? But I hope this was helpful. You have as much time as you need to play around with this to make it look like you. And if you have any questions, just let me know.